Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. So previously in this section talking about enumeration, we were having everything in the int main function. However, we know that we need to declare different functions to do different things for us. So our int main function remains clean and clear. So in this lecture, we're going to write a program that uses a function to decide the output of an enumeration for weather message to users. So we are combining enumeration concepts with functions. So we are going to write down a program and a function, separated function to do everything for us regarding showing a message to the user regarding the weather. So here I'm having one enum called weather. It is having three elements: sunny, rainy, and cloudy. Then in the main function, I'm having variable today of weather data type, which is here, and it is assigned to be rainy. So it is the second element. Okay. Then I'm calling the weather message function and passing the argument today. So this weather message function is of void type, so it's not going to return anything, and as its argument it is accepting weather data type here. Okay, and the name of the passed argument that is used in this function is w. So w is here. So in order to iterate over different situations, we are having, in order to have investigating different conditions, let's say we are having a switch statement. We could do it with if else also as well. So we are having a switch statement and we are having the condition over w, and we are having different cases here. So in case that it is sunny, in case w equals sunny, print out it's a bright day. In case w equals rainy, print the message saying that take an umbrella. And in case that w equals cloudy, show the message to the user saying that it might rain later. Okay, so let me run the code now. So we are having here initializing and declaring the today variable, and it is assigned a rainy. We are then passing this argument today, this variable here, and using the name of the function, which is weather message. Weather message is the function of void type and its argument is of weather data type. Here, because rainy equals today, so when we are having the switch statement, it is going to enter this case rainy and it is going to show the message take an umbrella. So this is basically how it works. So if we are going to assign cloudy to variable today, it might rain later message was going to be shown in the terminal. So let me just have this cloudy here and recompile. So we expect to see this message. Yes, we're seeing that it might rain later. It might rain later. The message here for the case that is cloudy. So cloudy is assigned to today. Thank you for watching.